as I take you through the product. When we think about servicing a customer, we think about a different stage that customer may enter, including at the prospect stage. ChatAi integrates with existing lead generation systems to automatically engage a customer where they become a lead prospect, personalizing the outreach according to data we have from the lead provider about what they were interested in. In doing so, we engage with them immediately with personalized follow-up next steps requirements. When they do go ahead and set those requirements in the system, we do an easy shopping cart click to add them as a client from prospect to client. It's an effective way to organizing your leads to have a clear delineation for what's a prospect and what's a client.